the toucan barbet singing in Paris. That is typical of the 100 beautiful birds and bird calls. Communication of, but not just birds, it's 100 different species. So here, let's try and see, or listen, sorry, to how the pig frog sounds. That's number 84. Okay. So recorded in situ, as you can probably tell, for all the different species, the Australian magpie, the koala, Tasmanian devil, all 100, beautifully photographed, excellent text, very, very heavyweight, quality publication. We have sold and sold and sold this £30 book for just £11 through bibliophilebooks.com. It's called The Sounds of the Wild. Just like Planet Earth 2, with the fox hearing a vole under the snow, and he's going to dive down, crack the crust with his paws and eat the prey. Stags, red deer, and then you use the player by following the very simple instructions to just dial in the number that you want, press the button, and hear the sound. Sounds like a snake. Let's have a look what number 80 is. Oh yeah, there it is. The Western Diamondback Rattlesnake. Fantastic photography. 263 pages with the audio unit. Gorgeous colour photography. Sounds of the Wild by Jan Pedersen through Bibliophile Books.